I'm very big on women's issues or women development. This is something that I feel is very important. Okay, our women should be in the workforce, and they can do a lot of good work.
Yeah.
And I feel that that's very important. So these are a few of the issues which I'm looking at. But I'm not into finger pointing. कि जी ये सही है तो वो खराब है और आपकी वजह से. I feel that if we all get together and work, I know it sounds like a cliche and work as one, but if we stop pointing the finger कि जी ये खराब है तुमने ये क्यों, and start doing the work ourselves. जब मैंने when I decided to क्या कहते हैं do telefilms and act, I didn't say यार ये this is rubbish or this is bad. I said okay, can I do better? Let me keep quiet and see what I could do. अगर लोगों को फिर वो पसंद नहीं आता फिर मैं नहीं करता. But I think finger pointing is something that we should as a nation.
Because three fingers are pointing towards us.
That's right. Absolutely.
अच्छा सुहेल, आपके एक फ्रेंड हैं रेहान शेख, आपके बहुत क्लोज भी आपसे. अच्छा. तो वो उनसे भी हमारी मुलाकात हुई, देखते हैं वो आपके लिए क्या कह रहे हैं.
Suhail and I have known each other since I think mid-90s. उस वक्त मैं स्टूडेंट हुआ करता था. Suhail was a hot shot marketing person. मैं एक रेडियो डीजे के तौर पे भी काम करता था, मेरा शो होता था तो उनके घर वाले उसको सुनते थे. That was the early days. That's how we met. To me, he's like an elder brother. He's a few years older, and I think he also looks at me as a younger brother. And I think उस वजह से हम शायद एक दूसरे को माफ भी कर देते हैं अपनी एक दूसरे की idiosyncrasies को. I think he's a wonderful friend, and he's generous and big-hearted, and he's there for you. And Suhail का ऐसा है कि उसकी sense of humor कुछ ऐसी है कि a lot of times people misunderstand him. I used to write a column, तो मैंने एक character इसके ऊपर बनाया जिसका नाम था बिल्लू. We call him Billu. Suhail का nickname Billu, the amazing baked aloo. He was hard from the outside and soft from the inside, like a baked potato. I think Suhail is like that. He's all this tough and important person and natural guy from the outside. The inside he's quite a softie. If you're asking me whether he's a better actor or a better director, I'd say he's a better marketeer. He's great at communicating with people. But I'm being unfair here. I think as a director he's evolved, and I think he is creative. And as an actor he needs to perhaps relax. But because he's doing so many other things, I think he finds it difficult to relax. So I mean, I would say he's a better director. His greatest quality is his loyalty. I think he sticks by people. Another thing I like about him is that he's a survivor, and he knows how to handle himself in any situation. And I think he's street smart. He's street smart and he's practical. So my message to you is that I know that you're on a diet again, and so am I, but I'm still far better looking than you are, and I'm going to lose more weight than you. Okay? But seriously, Suhail, you've been a wonderful friend, and thank you for your friendship, and I wish you all the best with all your projects, and keep at it, buddy. You're doing well, and inshallah, you'll be a lot more successful and go where you want to go. God bless you.
कितने मार्क्स डिडक्ट हो गए रेहान के, इतना कुछ बोल दिया.
Yes, Rehan, you are better looking than me, and you are slimmer than me. I have to agree with that. I have to agree with that.
The fact is a fact. No, but again, क्या कहते हैं, ये मसला सिर्फ आपका नहीं, बहुत से लोगों के साथ होते हैं. अच्छा ये बताएं कि coming back to your radio show.
जी.
आप ये मुझे बताएं, as a presenter, radio presenter, what are the key factors that makes a presenter successful?
Again, I think one of the things which is important in every field is commitment and passion.
Yeah.
Are you passionate for what you want? No, I'm asking you.
Oh, I am.
I thought
just
you were Just checking. So you have to be very
careful. The fingers will be pointed this way any minute. Okay.
So you have एक तो passion is very important.
Yeah.
Commitment. चलो passion आपके पास है, आपके पास वो commitment है.
Right.
Can you actually go there and do it over a long period of time?
Right.
So commitment and passion, I think, are very important things in every aspect.
Yeah.
you know.
And do you think that people are professionalism ज़्यादा यहाँ है? You know, London में भी आपने काम किया, इधर भी काम किया. Do you think people are more professional here or at par with the people anywhere else?
They are getting there. हम वहाँ पे पहुँच रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
We are actually getting there. And again, I don't want to say too much, but one can talk about the show that you're doing here. Professionally, you've been doing this for
more than a year and a half.
More than a year and a half now.
Mashallah.
And it is standing out. People know what a great show this is.
Shukriya.
And that comes to your professionalism. You see, if truth be known, that's where you are making the mark, because there is commitment there. There is
Thank you
passion.
so much. Thank you.
So there are, inshallah, there'll be a lot more people like this, and they are there.
जी.
We just have to find them.
True, true. अच्छा, like मैंने शुरू में कहा कि you're energetic, you're expressive, you're dramatic.
जी.
But ये लोगों की opinion है आपके बारे में.
जी.
How would you describe? How would Suhail Hashmi describe himself?
I would say that Suhail Hashmi is totally and utterly mad.
Mad? You can say that as well.
Mad.
That's it. क्यों?
Pagal. I don't know. I
Eccentric.
think eccentric.
Yeah.
Pakistan is a beautiful playing field जहाँ पे इतनी चीजें हैं करने के लिए. There's so much that you can make a mark.
And हम इस बात पे, sorry, we have to now go on another break, और इसको हम यहीं से start करेंगे, but right after a very short break. You guys stay where you are and call us when we come back.